Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a medium sized box pouch. Please watch the video till the end without skipping. I would request you to subscribe to my channel for more handmade items and also share the link of the video with your family and friends. To make this, I have used beautiful baby pink colored polyester fabric which is lined with sponge type of material inside. The measurement of the fabric is 10 by 12 inches width by length. We want single piece of main fabric and lining. Now place the half of the zipper on the main fabric facing right side each other and then keep the lining fabric on it. Then stitch all these together. Make sure that the zipper is attached properly and the stitch is clean. Bring the lining cloth and the main fabric towards one side and top stitch from the front side. Now we need to attach the second half of the zipper to another side as we did earlier by placing the zipper in between main fabric and the lining. Now turn the cloth and top stitch on the main fabric for the second part of the zipper. Insert the runner to the zipper. I have used number 3 type of zipper here. Now turn it so that the right side goes inside and arrange it neatly as I am doing in the video. Mark the square with measurement 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch on all the 4 sides and cut these square boxes. By doing so, we can get the box structure to the purse and we will have more space inside the purse without adding any gusset. All the 4 corners have been cut. Now we need to stitch these 2 sides as I did in the video. Thus we have closed the sides of the purse. Now we need to stitch the corners. Bring the cut side together to get the T-shaped structure and stitch it to close the gap. Repeat the same for remaining 3 sides. I have stitched all the 4 corners and this is how it looks now. Start turning the cloth right side out and pull it properly in all the sides to have a neat look. Here our beautiful baby pink colored box pouch is ready and this is a medium sized pouch. It has more space because of its size and we can use it to store the sanitary pads. Also we can use it as a makeup pouch. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and provide your comment for the feedback. If you are interested in cooking, please subscribe to my second channel, Chethana's Veg Kitchen, for authentic South Indian recipes. Thank you for all the support you have given me for both of my channel. Keep supporting. See you in next video.